Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome to Toddlo English. Today we have a surprise ice cream game. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now we'll open. Wow! They are very so beautiful and amazing. Am I right, my dears? Okay, look. What color is it? Well, look, what color is it? Now I will open. Wow! It's green. Wow! It's very amazing, interesting, my dears. It's green. Green. Everybody say, repeat after me. Green, green, green. We have a green ice cream. Do you like ice cream? They are very delicious. Am I right, my dears? I love ice creams very much. The next is, what color is it? It's blue. What color is it? It is blue. What color is it? It is pink. It is pink. Yeah. Do you like them? Now we will count them together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, we have 12 ice creams. Okay, my dears. Today we learned with you red, blue, green, yellow, pink, and purple. Yeah, purple. Where is purple? What do you think? It is purple? It is purple. Haha, no, it is yellow. It is purple. Haha, no, it's pink. It's pink. Well, it's purple. Yeah, very good. It is purple. Purple. Amazing, my dears. You are very active today. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye, my friends.